Hey guys, so in this video series, we're going to be talking about different ways and tips on how to be able to not lose your patients, right? So we're going to be giving you guys different scenarios that you guys should probably pay attention to so that, yes, you keep your patients. You don't lose them at all to other agencies or just lose them just because you're not paying any attention. So here are a few tips that I want to be able to give you on how to not lose your patients to other agencies, right? I've heard stories, I've seen the stories where patients end up in the hospital, and when they get discharged, they are now being assigned to a separate agency. So there are several reasons why this actually occurs. Number one, the patient does not even know the name of your agency. How many times have I met people in regards to they are being admitted to an agency where they only know the name of their nurse, the name of the therapist, the name of their aide, but they do not remember or know the name of the home health agency. This is a big problem. And what you need to do is you need to do everything that you can in branding. This is how it works. Make sure that everything the patient gets has a logo, has a number that is visible and is easily readable. Make sure that your nurses, when they actually come in to talk to the patients, make sure that they always name the name of your company. Mention the name of your company. Make sure they need to be branding it. They need to always be talking to the patient. Us at ABC Home Health or XYZ Home Health Agency, we want to make sure that you're taken care of. So whenever you have any questions, make sure you give us a call at ABC Home Health or call ABC or XYZ Home Health anytime that you have any needs. Make sure your nurses are trained to do this. Make sure that you expect them to do this. Make sure that when they actually get an application, when they start working for your organization, that they actually sign a paper stating that they will make sure that they brand your company. That every time they see a patient, they mention the name of your company at least 3 times. What happens is that your patient will begin remembering agencies that I've worked with that actually I've recommended that they make sure that their nurses, when they're visit form, whether they're wearing a sweater with a logo, whether they're wearing a smock with a logo, or even a t-shirt with a logo, right? So it's better that you require your nurses to wear a logo, a scrubs with your logo, right? Never, ever, ever do this. Never, ever let your employees work unless they have ID badges with your logo looking really big where anyone can actually read it. This is what you need to do in order to be able to create a branding for your company. And so that the patients and their family members will always remember to give you guys a referral to make sure that when they go to the hospital, that they actually tell hospitals that they are working with your agency. And also, if you have patients that are with you guys, give them instructions. Let them know people will not do anything unless they're instructed to do something. So tell your patients, if you ever end up in a hospital, please make sure you let them know that you are working with us. The reason you want to explain this to your patients is that give them a scenario. Tell them, look, you're already used to our nurses. You know our therapists. If you don't tell them that you're working with us, there's a strong possibility that when you get discharged to the hospital, you may end up with a different agency. And we believe in continuing of care, and we believe that we want to make sure that we work with you continuously. So this is just one tip on how not to lose your patients to other agencies. So pay attention to part 2 video tips about how not to lose your patients to other agencies or just wherever it is. So we're going to get started with that video. Make sure you click that video. Also, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that are being released. I hope you guys enjoy this video and the next future videos. Always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know.